When will your AFA story begin?
Hello to you, our viewers around the world. I'm your co-hostess, Hannah.
And it's me again, Rodelyn.
If you were watching last show, then you would know we had an amazing social night one
Ladies were lining up by the dozen
to meet men who traveled from so very far.
in the hopes that their search for a life mate would be over.
For the nearly 25 guys on this tour, there's only one thing that could top that.
Another evening of connections to create.
Another night of over 100 beautiful women to meet and date.
And while they may come from metro areas or the country,
There's one thing on which all these guys can agree.
we're here at the place you should be. AFA Socials Night 2 in Cebu City.
Don't wanna waste time. I'll never be this young. I'll never be this young again. Don't wanna chase highs when I'm too worn out. When I'm too worn out. So I'm never coming down. Never coming down. Never coming down again. I was born to be this high, born to be this high, born to be this high, my friend. Won't you come up here to my altitude, to my altitude, yeah, you, 'cause I always liked you. I wanna share this view, I wanna share this view with you. We're never coming down, never coming down, never coming down again. We were born to be this high, born to be this high, born to be this high, my friend. Broken people flying like heroes all around town and never coming down. Normal people writing our stories. We're never boring and never coming down. Don't wanna waste time. I'll never be this young. I'll never be this young again. Don't wanna waste life. I'll never be this dumb. I'll never be this dumb again. We're all idiots, idiots, everyone. We're all idiots, idiots, everyone. But we sure know how to have some fun. Oh, we're all idiots, idiots, everyone. We're all idiots, idiots, everyone. But we sure know how to have some fun. Yeah. We're never coming down, never coming down, never coming down again. We were born to be this high, born to be this high, born to be this high, my friend. Broken people flying like heroes all around town and never coming down. Normal people riding like heroes all around town and never coming down. Normal people riding like heroes all around town and never coming down. Normal people riding like heroes all around town and never coming down. Normal people riding like heroes all around town and never coming down. Normal people writing our stories. We're never boring, never coming down.
What a night!
Socials night 2 always have a little something more.
And this one definitely delivered.
While all good things must come to an end,
The end of the socials is just the beginning of a greater journey.
after meeting hundreds of women, these guys decide
Who it is that catches their eye.
whether they are on a 10 or 14-day tour. Those days will be filled with dates.
And their nights with decisions about who they want to spend the next day's dates with.
Then, if all goes well, a date becomes a single moment.
A moment becomes a memory.
That memory becomes the core of a relationship that will last a lifetime.
Just like the guys here tonight, you don't have to be a bystander.
Watching someone else have this experience,
You can make your tour happen.
you can make your relationship happen.
You can make happiness happen.
So, all we've got left is one question.
When will your AFA story begin?
Are you a single man looking for love? Expand your horizons. Interested? Learn more at
Asian-women.com